You do everything right. You go to bed on time, get a full 8 hours, but when your alarm screams at you in the morning, you feel like you haven't slept at all. What gives? The problem isn't how long you're sleeping, it's how well you're sleeping. Your sleep efficiency is low. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that, getting the most out of every single hour you spend in bed so you can finally wake up feeling sharp, energized, and refreshed. Section 1. The truth about sleep duration. This isn't about skipping the sleep your body needs. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours for optimal health. This is about making the hours you do get work harder for you. Think of it like this. You can plug your phone in for 8 hours with a bad cable and only get a 75% charge. That's low sleep efficiency. The goal is to get a full charge in the time you have. Here's how. Section 2. Rule number 1. The 3-2-1 power down. This is a simple rule to get your body ready for deep sleep. 3 hours before bed. No more big meals or alcohol. They disrupt sleep quality later in the night. 2 hours before bed. Stop all work. Let your brain switch off from problem-solving mode. 1 hour before bed. No more screens. The blue light from your phone or TV messes with your body's sleep signals. This routine helps your body wind down so you're primed for quality sleep the moment your head hits the pillow. Section 3, rule number 2, master your sleep window. This is a game changer. The idea is simple. The time you spend in bed should almost perfectly match the time you are actually asleep. Lying in bed for 8 hours but only sleeping for 6 just creates frustration. Instead, set a non-negotiable wake-up time every single day, even on weekends. Then work backward. If you typically only sleep for 6 hours, only get into bed for 6 hours. This builds up what's called sleep drive. Think of it like a rubber band stretching all day. By bedtime, it snaps you quickly and powerfully into sleep. As your sleep becomes more solid, you can gradually add 15 minutes to your time in bed. Section 4. Rule number 3. The 10-minute morning ignition. A great night of sleep can be ruined by a groggy morning. To fight back, you need a morning ignition routine that takes less than 10 minutes. First, as soon as your alarm goes off, drink a big glass of water. You're dehydrated, and this gives you an instant jolt. Second, get sunlight in your eyes. Open the blinds or step outside. This signals your brain to shut down sleep hormones. Third, move your body for just 5 minutes. Light stretching or a quick walk gets your blood flowing and shakes off that sleepiness. Hydration, light, and movement. The goal isn't just more sleep, it's smarter sleep. You'll wake up feeling recharged, clear-headed, and ready to own your day.